Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, remove people, pets, and exposed food, and cover surfaces to prevent residue. Once clear, shake the can vigorously for about 30 seconds so the propellant and formula mix evenly. This ensures consistent droplet size. Next, test a 1-second spray on cardboard to confirm nozzle function. Then position the can upright 8 to 12 inches from baseboards or infestations and aim into cracks. This helps deliver the active ingredient where insects hide and reduces airborne drift. You continue by targeting likely insect pathways. Spray baseboards, behind appliances, under sinks, and around door and window frames to interrupt movement. Use short bursts of 1 to 2 seconds per spot rather than continuous spraying. This prevents overwetting surfaces and conserves product while keeping residues effective. Make sure to focus on cracks and voids where insects hide because the active lasts longer there. Once done, ventilate the area for 10 to 15 minutes to disperse fumes. Only re-enter when smell. You finish by wiping non-porous surfaces if needed after 24 hours and storing the can in a cool, dry place away from heat and children. This preserves effectiveness and safety. If insects persist after 1 week, make a targeted repeat application in the same spots after 7 to 10 days to catch newly hatched pests, or contact a professional for heavy infestations. If you notice staining or residue, a damp cloth cleans most areas. If irritation occurs, seek fresh air and medical advice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.